Alright, what's going on, you guys? Welcome to a new video, and today we're going to be going over these bumper plugs, which is one way to fix the holes in your front bumper when you relocate your license plate or just remove it altogether. So let's get right into it, and I'll show you guys how to get this started. So first off, we got to wash the car, make sure it's completely clean before we put in those bumper plugs and make it look beautiful.
Is it boring?
No. Get back to work.
But you can imagine that because your license plate has been blocking that part of your car for so long, there's going to be a lot of dirt stuck to your car. So just make sure you wipe that area down. And then once you're done with that, we can get started on putting in those bumper plugs. So anyway, bumper plugs gives you this little manual, and it tells you how deep the hole has to be and the width. And basically it's just going to be 1/4 for your drill bit. And that's what I did here. So I just took a 1/4 drill bit and drilled into my bumper. Make sure you guys cringe, because that's what you're supposed to do when you drill into your bumper. Obviously, make sure you're drilling completely straight or it won't really go in very well. Alright, once you're done cringing and drilling into your bumper, just pull out these beautiful bumper plugs. Mine are Lunar Silvers, so paint matched perfectly to my car. And once you're able to actually get it out of the package, then all you have to do is push it right in. Don't put too much force on it, since they said it could break. So don't put too much force. I just kind of lightly pushed it in and like slightly wiggled it side to side to get it in. And it worked pretty well. So anyway, this overall makes the car look so much better than just having random holes in the front of the car. It kind of just looks like you have some sensors on the front of your car instead of some random holes, which I do prefer this look. And from far away, you can't even tell that they're there. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are interested in purchasing some of these, check out bumperplugs.com and put in your vehicle's color, and they'll be perfectly paint matched to your car. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.